Okay mga kaibigan, so first product review of the year, may package tayo mula sa DHL. So this is one of those companies na if hindi nila ako kontakan for a product review, I think I might not even hear about them. So ito nga, from a company called Leobog. Yes, kung Pinoy ka, alam ko matatawa ka sa pangalan na yon. Pero nakita ko kasi yung product page nito and it looks... Siguro one of these days, mawawala na din ako ng pake sa mga background noise na yon. And yeah, maririnig nyo na lang yan every time na magre-record ako. But yeah, nakita ko yung product page nila and it looks really fucking cool. So ito nga ang Leobog K81 mechanical keyboard. Transparent siya. And at least based na nakalagay dito, ang pinadalangan nila sa akin is yung ice crystal na color or basta yung transparent. Which right now is pwede mo mabili sa Lazada for 6K. If maganda yung quality nito, aside from it having a Bluetooth 2.4 GHz connection and obviously you can use this wired, might be worth it. Medyo nag-iingat lang at baka mabagsak ko pa yung box. So yan nga yung box niya mismo. Very simple lang naman for the most part. And yung brand, Leobog. And then nga, tri-mode. So wired, 2.4 GHz and Z Bluetooth. And if I'm not mistaken, yung only option lang ata neto is linear switch, which I'm a big fan since I don't like tactile switches. So ito nga yung mint sea salt na color option nila. And yan nga siya. Bago kukunin yung keyboard mismo, tingnan natin kung ano yung nasa box na to. Very nice packaging so far. Okay, I'm not sure what these are for. But, of course, yung cable natin, may mga extra switches na ako nakikita dito. And if hindi ko pala nabanggit kanina, is hot swappable yung switches nito. So, 2 thumbs up para dun. At this price. Okay, very nice cable, nice quality. Hindi siya braided, pero nice quality nga siya. So, type C to type A cable. Actually, para makita natin ngayon yung switches niya. So, basically, parang black switches. Yun yung Leobog branding here. And quick sound test dito. Parang may tactile bump pa din siya. Not sure. And yung isa pa nasa box is ang switch puller natin. Okay. 2-in-1 siya. So, yan. Ang switch puller natin, ang keycap remover na din. So, one side is for the keycaps and the other side is for pulling switches. And dito na nga tayo, mga kaibigan. So, for the most part, I can't really justify spending over 5,000 pesos for a keyboard. Pero, so far, feels quality. It is hefty. That is actually pretty cool, bro. Meron din tayong multifunctional knob dito, which hindi lang pang volume, turns out. At gonna lie, ayokong tanggalin yung plastic niya. But yeah, I need to. Okay, so far yung feedback nung switches niya, it's really fucking crispy and nice, kaibigan. So, pasensya din sa Leobog if you don't like cursing in videos, pero that's just really nice. And may button din, nga pala, yung multifunction knob na to. And bro, pakinggan mo yung feedback pag iniikot siya. It's actually really nice. Like I said, quite hefty yung keyboard na to, so weigh siya. So about 1,000, so 1 kilo na tayo if I'm not mistaken. So 1,080 grams siya. Yup, this keyboard weighs 1.08 kilos. And ayan, close up ng keyboard. And ayan yung underside. Okay. Alam ko nang para sa inyo mabilog na yon. Siya pala yung feet ng keyboard mismo. Ito din, may mamaliit na bilog din tayo dito. And this has a 3,000 mAh battery, mga kaibigan. Dito sa bottom right ng keyboard, we do have the Leobog branding. Yan siya. Actually, pakita ko lahat kasi it looks really nice, man. Like, gusto kong pahawak sa inyo yung keyboard na to. Once na mahawakan nyo, masabi nyo, yeah, that's fucking quality, man. Ngayon na to, yung 2.4 GHz dongle natin. And meron nga din tayong, actually, sabihin ko sana USB pass-through yan, pero o nga pala, wired keyboard din to kung gusto mo. So, sabihin ko nung pa lang, props kay Leobog for making one hell of a keyboard. Yeah, basically, this is the most beautiful keyboard that I've ever owned, bro. It looks and feels really good. Bro, this part isn't even just sticker. Bro, akala ko sticker lang to, pero it feels and looks like legit metal here. Yeah, I had to read the instructions, pero turns out switch pala to. Yung kabila na yan. Currently, nasa USB mode tayo, tapos left is ang 2.4 GHz mode. Yep, ang ganda niya, kaibigan. Actually, mas magpapakita ko sa inyo ng mga ganda mga bigger rules ngayon. And I actually kind of want to take my time with this. Okay. Pwede din brightness adjustment to. So, according sa instructions, I can press this para mag-change mode. So, meron tong gaming and office mode. Okay, ngayon, kin-change na yung volume ng PC ko. Very nice. So, ngayon, dapat brightness yung na-adjust niya. So, game mode na to, basically. Although, sana parang may switch na lang para, of course, for me, mas gusto ko yung volume adjust na lang to, either modes. Kapag single tap lang neto, i-mute niya yung audio ng PC mo. Okay, so kahit i-turn off mo yung LEDs is light on pa din tong yung knob niya. Para makita nyo real quick. So, kagandaan dito is, ayan, pwede ka mag-pair ng 3 Bluetooth devices dito. So, pwede ka lang mag-easily switch among 3 Bluetooth devices. Pwedeng Android, Windows, Mac, and iOS. So, very nice touch. And yan yung mga secondary commands niya sa function keys. Tapos this one to change the lighting effects with function key. Tapos brightness adjustment and yung speed. Yung mga lighting effects na may animation. Tignan ko yung page nila dito sa download section. Wala atang software to so far. So I'm actually gonna use this for a while. May sleep mode pala siya. Siguro after 5 minutes ata is mamamatay yung lighting niya. Again, I'm gonna use this for a while and I'll come back to you guys sa conclusion ko dito. Pero so far, if you're looking for a really good quality keyboard na para sa price tag niya, I think it's a fair price. Okay, so nagbabalik na po tayo mga kaibigan. And one thing na hindi ko na-notice agad is mag-iba pala yung switches na gamit nito. Or at least naiiba yun nandito sa spacebar. So black switch nandito sa spacebar. Tapos the rest of the switches is this actually lighter na switch with lighter actuation force. And this definitely feels more of a linear switch compared to this black replacement switch nila. Or again, yun nandito nga sa spacebar, which is a heavier switch with more of a tactile bump kumpara nga dito sa white switch na kasama niya. So here's the white Leobog switch. And here's the black one. And para nyo makita up close yung keycaps niya. And very good quality yung keycaps nila. So masasabi ko, this is definitely great for gaming as a linear switch to, which for me, I prefer more when it comes to gaming or general typing. Ewan ko lang sa inyo, baka mamaya more of a preference thing to. Pero at least itong specific K81 model nila only comes in a linear switch. But then again, hot swappable to, so you can pretty much swap it out with any switch that you want. Sa 2.4 GHz mode niya, there's basically no latency na ma-feel mo, especially when gaming. The feedback of the white switches in general is really nice and smooth and crispy. Actually, not smooth, but more crispy yung feedback niya. Again, very nice. 2 thumbs up. Build quality is top notch. Pretty much everything about this keyboard is top notch. Wala man talaga masasabing negative dito, aside from the fact na baka medyo pricey ito to most people who are looking for a mechanical keyboard. But in terms of, again, a quality mechanical keyboard na they definitely took the time to put this together. Kind of a masterpiece, not gonna lie. It has an abundance of lighting effects sa mga dyan, sa mga RGBs. Ayun, yun siguro yung the only one negative thing na masasabi ko dito is if hindi mo type or trip yung gatong layout ng keyboard, 75% ng keyboard nga to. For me, the smallest keyboard na gusto ko is a TKL keyboard, but considering everything you're getting for this keyboard, yung quality, you get a good number of functionality. Although, one thing siguro na ma-add ko dito is a USB pass-through nga. Kasi nga akala ko yung switch na to is you can like add another Type-C port, pero turns out switch niya pala yan. And akala ko yung dalawang to kanina is parang replacement sila na mag-act as kickstands para dito since wala nga itong kickstand. Kung gusto mo mas naka-angle yung keyboard mo, pwede mo na lang ipatong dyan. Mas angled na siya ngayon if mas prefer mo para sa typing experience mo yan. So conclusion ko para sa keyboard na to, top-notch build, really good feedback from the switches, and yung feedback nga dito sa, oh my god, I love this multifunction knob nila. Kung gusto nyo parang mag-invest and gusto nyo siguro mas aesthetic tignan yung setup nyo since again, transparent na build to, then obviously this is one of your few options aside from like a custom keyboard. And as much as I want to use this daily, I kinda don't want to just because of how nice it looks. Para mas maganda na i-display ko na lang to actually. And maybe siyang color options, meron siyang black na Star Travel, yung tawag dito. Definitely, ang pinaka-gusto kong color option niya is yung Morse code na may blue accent siya. And of course, much appreciated to Leobog for sending this to me for a review. My god, 2 thumbs up guys. Good job on this. Really. Of course, I'll leave the links in the description if you guys want to check out the Leobog K81. And of course, as always, leaving a like is the easiest way to support the channel. Consider subscribing if you like my content and turn on notifications for all so you'll be updated on my latest videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys the next one. Peace.
Flip a bag, now I'm serving a Tesla. Going back, shawty with me, I stepped up. GTA for the ops, ain't no less stuff. Shawty born to be my angel, yeah, I'm blessed up. Cooking right up in the stew, gotta change.